Hello guys, and welcome to the next Slayer guide. In this one we will be killing steel dragons for Movran, so this will be another short guide, and we will be using our magic setup. So as you can see, chaotic staff, subjugation set. They are weak to water spells in addition to bane ammo, so you can use range as well. Azalem Surgeon's Ring, Tyranqueer number 4, Dragon Rider Amulet, Maxscape, Runic Accuracy Aura, Mighty Slayer Helmet, Charming Imp. Prayer Flask in my inventory, Super Antifiers, Water and Air Runes, Captain's Log, Spring Cleaner, Magic Notepaper and 15th Anniversary Cake for occasional healing. Most of the profit on this task goes from Dragon Bones, so that's why I'm bringing Magic Notepaper. And we will be killing steel dragons in Kuradal's dungeon. That's just the way I do it, and I always kill them there because they are easily accessible and, as you will soon find out, located in a small area, so 4 steel dragons are grouped together and you won't have to run around very much even if you are using melee. You can use melee because even though they are not anymore weak to stab, they drop pretty fast with chaotic rapiers. So yeah, other than Kuradal's dungeon, and yeah, I just forgot to activate my Super Antifier. Other than Kuradal's dungeon, you can kill them in Brimhaven dungeon, Brimhaven resource dungeon. I wouldn't advise that because they are much more spread out there. And you can kill them in the Fortress of Gorok after passing through a part of temple at Santisten Quest. So as I said, other than Dragon Bones, their drops aren't so good. Common drops include Adamant and Rune items. Uncommon drops worth picking up are Fire Battle Staff and Runefall Helm. And the rare drops Dragon Plate Legs, Dragon Plate Skirt and a Rune Hatchet. You of course have a very rare chance of getting a Draconic Visage, like 1 in 10,000. That is currently worth 1.1 million GP on Grand Exchange. So about Steel Dragons, their stats, they start off with 10,000 life points. Their max hit is 508, and as you unfortunately saw, over 2,000 with their Dragon Fire. They drop 970 combat and 350 Slayer experience with every kill. And well, basically the reason why I want to do this task is because Movran doesn't assign a lot of them, anywhere from 50 to 125. So really this isn't the task for your block lists, but you don't want to be spending points and skipping it, so just do it. It's really fast, even if you are using melee, and especially if you are using ranged with Dragonbane bolts or arrows and magic, as in my case with water spells. And yeah, that's really all I can say about Steel Dragons. I also want to point out that today I passed 50 million Slayer experience, so I will soon be starting my new series, Journey to 120 Slayer, so stay tuned for that. I am really excited for that one. And yeah, that's all for this guide. I will see you in a couple of days, and as always, enjoy.